The global climatic change challenges we face demand urgent attention and innovative solutions. It is heartening to see our youth stepping up to the plate, showcasing their understanding of these issues and proposing ways to address them. I believe that the seeds of change lie within the minds of our innovators. As we walk through the exhibition today, let us not just marvel at the creativity on display, but let us internalize the message these exhibits convey. Let us leave this space with a renewed sense of commitment to sustainable development and a determination to be responsible stewards of our planet. I commend Holy Cross School for their initiative and I extend my best wishes to all the participating schools. I have already witnessed the performance of different categories of your school. Really I admire. Together let us strive for better tomorrow and tomorrow that is sustainable, balanced and inclusive. Thank you. One earth, one family and one future. And our Honorable Prime Minister used to guide us by saying these words. This age-old philosophy encapsulates the idea that the world is a family, interconnected and interdependent. As we witness the challenges of our time, the significance of this principle becomes more evident than ever. The G20's commitment to strong, sustainable, balanced and inclusive growth aligns seamlessly with our ethos as a nation. We do have ways to foster an environment that not only nurtures economic property or prosperity, but does so in a manner that is sustainable, inclusive, and respects the delicate balance of our ecosystem. It warms my heart to see that our school, that is your school, is taking a proactive stance in this direction by organizing an inter-school science and humanities exhibition competition on the theme of sustainable development.